everyone, welcome back to my channel Bhavya's Bouquet. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a DIY quilling needle using a toothpick. So let's get started. The things that you will need for making this are a toothpick, a paper cutter or a kitchen knife, Fevicol, scissors and a quilling strip. So now first of all you need to cut out this pointy end of the toothpick with a scissor. So you will carefully cut this out. Now once you've cut it out, this is how it comes. Now the next step is to take a knife. Now make sure you do not take a very sharp knife. Use a slightly blunt knife. You can also use a paper cutter. So you need to very carefully move the knife like this through it. Here this way. You can cut it a little bit more. Like this. Now you have a slide through. This is how even the normal quilling needle looks. If you see, the main purpose is to get a cut in between. So once you've got that, you can do it easily. Now this is not a very foolproof method as the toothpick can break several times, but it's a temporary method if your quilling needle has broken or you urgently need one. So I'll just quill one and show you. So this needle is a temporary substitute. This isn't very fast, but you can still work with it. Now instead of a toothpick, you can use anything that is light and can be easily cut into half. So this is how the final looks, and the center in this is a little bit wider. And there are several quilling needles that are like this with a wide center. So now I'll show you the difference. This is the one with a closed center and this has a wide center. This is the one I've done with a normal quilling needle, and this is the one with the toothpick. So this is a comparison and difference between them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Comment below and subscribe to my channel for more content on music and art and craft. Thank you for watching.